salaysay sa hukumang ito ang nangyari noong March 1, 2024.
Lasing ako nun. Umiiyak ako. Kasi pinahiya ako ni Ino sa party. But then he went to me to say sorry.
Trixie.
Ino.
Kaya mo pa ba?
Leave me alone. Di ba pinahiya mo ako kanina?
Look, Trixie. You've done enough embarrassment for the both of us. That's why I'm here. Kasi gusto kong mag-sorry sa'yo.
Dahil lasing ako, he asked me kung pwede akong pumunta sa room niya to rest.
I think we should rest in my cottage muna.
The next thing I remember,
pagbalik-balik na rin naman yung kwento. Totoo yun nangyari sa akin. You raped me, Ino! You raped me!
Ano? This is what you want, diba?
No, Ino, no, please.
Right?
stop! Stop!
Diba?
No, Ino. No, don't do this to me, Ino. No, Ino. No.
You raped me! Rapist ka!
Liar!
Order in the car!
Liar!
Rapist ka!
Calm down.
Dad, she's making this stuff up.
We'll fix
I didn't rape her.
We'll fix it. Sit down, sit down.
She's... Liar siya.
Ang sabi mo sa statement mo, lasing na lasing ka nung gabing yun. Tama?
Lasing. Yes.
Pero, malinaw na malinaw sa judicial affidavit at sa statement mo sa police station na, I quote, lasing na lasing ako nung gabing yun. I blacked out. So, lasing na lasing ka nga.
Oo nga.
Lasing na lasing. Pero, naidetalye mo sa hukumang ito kung anong nangyari nung gabing yun. At tinawag mo pa itong rape.
Objection, Your Honor. Argumentative.
Sustained.
Mas ingano, nung sumama ka kay Ino sa kwarto, naisip mo ba na pwedeng may mangyari sa inyong dalawa?
To be honest, yes. But I would not allow it. I wanted something more from Ino. I wanted commitment. I wanted love. I wanted something na hindi mabigay sa akin ng pamilya ko. So when I woke up, I saw Ino forcing himself on me. Tinatry ko siyang alisin doon. Tinatry ko siyang tabuyin. Pero hindi niya ginagawa. I was so helpless.
Pero ginusto mong may mangyari sa inyong dalawa.
At first, yes. Pero not at that time. Not at my state at that time. I was confused. Lasing ako nun.
Pero ginusto mo nga ang may mangyari sa inyo.
Objection, Your Honor. The counsel is badgering the victim.
Ano bang gusto mo ipalabas, ha? Na ginusto ko itong nangyari sa akin? Na malandi ako? Na expert ako sa kama? Something that you're not? Because who the hell would want to have sex with you?
That would be all,
You
Your Honor.
pathetic virgin!
Order! I said order, Miss Witness.
Oo nga. Hindi ako expert sa kama. Lalong hindi ako sinungaling kagaya mo. Huwag kang mag-alala. Makikilala din nilang lahat ang totoong Trixie nga, no?
Order in this court. I do not tolerate this in my courtroom. And the next time any kind of misconduct is displayed from any of the parties, I will hold all of you in contempt and counsels. You know very well the consequence.